Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us discuss about restoration of the Ottoman Empire. With the triumph of Mehmed over his brothers, a new period of Ottoman imperialism was begun. The boundaries of Bayezid's empire were restored and even expanded, and the internal bases of the states were reorganized to prevent the kind of weakness and that had made the defeat of Ankara and its aftermath possible. Mehmed I, 1413 to 1420. Mehmed I had won in the end because he gained the support of not only Byzantium but also the more important Ghazi frontier leaders and Turkmen notables. To conciliate the religious leaders, those support had enabled him to triumph. Sayyid Bahruddin was dismissed and sent into exile with his family, while his replacement was nominated by the conservative ulama. His supporters among the Ghazi leaders, including Mihaloglu Mahmud Bey, were exiled to Anatolia even though they abandoned him at the last minute. In, a- in accordance with the agreement with Manuel, all the Byzantine territories around Constantinople and Salonika regained by Mursa were restored. Despite the objections of the Turkoman notables and others, and peace agreements were made with the Balkan Christian states as well as with Venice and Genoa to gain the time needed to restore Ottoman strength. This did not prevent Mahmud from moving to eliminate from the Ottoman court the Byzantine and Christian influences that had led Bayezids to abandon the Ghazi traditions. The Byzantine women and advisors were driven out of the palace. Greek was replaced by Turkish and Persians as language of administration. Emphasis was placed on the dynasty's Turks past, and historians were subsidized to stress this in the process of writing his history. Its history. Now let us discuss further about the restoration of the Ottoman Empire in 1413 to 1451. The Ottoman Empire was restored between 1413 to 1451 under the reign of Mehmed I and Murad II. Mahmud I ruled from 1413 to 1420. Mahmud I restored the empire by ending the civil war that lasted from 1402 to 1413, restoring the vassal system in Bulgaria and Serbia, dominating the Ottoman court with Turkish and Muslim influences. Murad II ruled from 1421 to 1451. Murad II suppressed Balkan resistance in 1422 to 1423, restored Ottoman rule in Anatolia, eliminated Turkmen principalities except for Karaman and Kandar. The Ottoman Empire's history includes under Mahmud I ruled 1413 to 20 and Murad II ruled 1421 to 51, where there was a new period of expansion in which Bayezid's empire was restored and new territories were added. Mehmed restored the vassal system in Bulgaria and Serbia, promising that he would not undertake new European adventures. Battle of Ankara. The military confrontation on July 20, 1402, in which forces of the Ottoman Sultan Bayezid I, the Thunderbolt victor at the Battle of Battle of Nicopolis in 1396 were defeated by those of the Turkic ruler Timur. That name is Tamerlane. Bayezid's humiliating loss came close to destroying the Ottoman Empire. Then who restored this situation? That is, who restored the Ottoman Empire? In the Battle of Ankara in 1402, Timur defeated Ottoman forces and took Sultan Bayezid I as a prisoner, throwing the empire into disorder. The ensuing civil war lasted from 1402 to 1413 as Bayezid's sons fought over succession. It ended when Mehmed I emerged as the Sultan and restored Ottoman power. So far, we discussed about restoration of the Ottoman Empire. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.